So the Giving Plate Food Pantry in Bend, Oregon is having their 15th anniversary and auction fundraiser, and my wife and I, as supporters of the Giving Plate, we're going to attend. However, last minute I had to take off across the country in the big truck for work. So my wife grabbed a camera and found a date to replace me so that she could still take you guys along to the event and see what it is that our patrons have allowed us to do for this absolutely amazing resource for our community. So now I got to get back to trucking, and you guys got to get to dinner with the girls.
Okay, everybody, I got my hot date for our fundraiser tonight.
Hi,
Elena. You may remember her, Executive Director of Every Kid Sport. And we are going to go, like I said, to our Feeding Hope celebration and fundraiser and surprise them with this check from our Patreons. Oh, and the theme is Roaring 20s, in case you're wondering why we're dressed this way.
why we look amazing.
Oh, and I did find out we get to sit next to our friends Jeremy and Brielle, so we'll know some people at our table. We got invited last minute, everyone. That's
Oh, nice.
they had to fill the seats. So we decided to make the most of it.
And I got invited even more last minute.
Because Casey bailed on me. You know, he's always making videos for you guys, so we decided to make it a mom's night out.
Thanks, Casey.
Should I get one of those Jeeps?
Yes. Get a truck Jeep. I don't know how to zoom, so these are my camera skills.
We're office workers. We are camera workers.
You want to talk about sports? We can talk. You want to talk about kids? That's fine.
Yeah, how is your program going?
Oh, we're super busy right now, which is really cool because we're ending our spring season. So we've helped about 20,000 kids this spring.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah, across all 50 states, be able to access youth sports. And so we have shut down our application for this season, and then we open next season in June so that we can support more kids to be able to play fall sports.
Amazing.
Yeah.
So if people want to donate to that, since we're talking about some donations right now, put a link below.
If you believe in access to youth sports to change your life, come check us out, everykidsports.org. That's my plug.
Amazing. Is this my exit?
Yes. Oh, we totally passed our exit. but we can get there.
I was like, wait, isn't this the last one in Bend? I don't go on the parkway.
What is...
Oh, is it asleep? What does it say? Oh, maybe it says you can't look at yourself anymore.
Turn right.
So I don't take the parkway. I drive the back roads. I'm a country bumpkin, so that was like my third time on the parkway.
Oh, here's our Jeep again.
You know, I wish Jeep would give me one of those, and I could compare and see which one I like.
See how it rides and how useful the trunk bed is.
I mean, I do like
love my
Facebook
truck.
Marketplace, and if I had a truck, I would buy so much more stuff like my husband. The reason he can buy so many things is because he has ways to transport things. I am limited with my Jeep space.
Yeah,
I can't buy anything.
He might not change that for you then.
That is true. Oh, Casey's gonna love editing
Casey's
this
gonna
video.
just be like, you guys never get to do anything again. And you talk about ridiculous things that I don't care about.
He's gonna say it took me all day to edit your video because all you do is yap the whole time.
Do you know where you're going?
I've been there once.
I haven't told you anything, and I just realized you're going the right way.
Okay, good. Because I've been there once.
Because I'm doing a terrible job.
You said you would tell me where to go. You haven't said one thing.
Don't you get on the 97?
You didn't tell me when to get off.
I told you I got off beforehand, and then we just started talking.
I forgot what you said though. Casey and I have this talk all the time. He tries to tell me names of streets, and I'm like, why would you do that? Like, I don't look at the names, I look at the store. So, am I turning at Walmart before Walmart? Is it a left at Walmart, a right at Walmart? You know, tell me where directionally from the store I'm going, and that would be helpful. If you tell me a name,
you're out.
Yeah.
It should be coming up on the right.
Okay. Is this where I'm turning?
Yeah, that was where you... Yep, we're here. Or there. Oh, no, next one.
Okay.
I'm doing great. There, the next one.
Oh, it says it right there. Golf course. Oh.
Do you know what building it's at?
Nope.
We'll figure it out.
I feel like we'll just see people walking.
You are 8 minutes early.
This never has happened. happened. I only am early because I knew I was picking you up and you like to be on time. And so I left way early and I still was a few minutes late to pick you up. Okay, we made it. Here is their Kids Corner mobile pantry, little van. In addition to having their store, they do travel and have different areas where they set up donations. Maybe someone can tell us about it. Hi!
How's it going?
How are you?
Good. You guys want to come check out our kids' mobile pantry?
Yeah, I was trying to speak about it and I realized I don't know what y'all got going on, so.
Yeah. So this is our kids' mobile pantry. So we take this out to rural areas, mostly Prineville right now. We go out every Saturday. And kids get to do their own shopping. So they start with a bag and then just they take as many as the items say. And then we have a Kids Corner incentive program where kids could earn Kids Corner cash by doing like chores or like telling me 5 things they're grateful for, and then they save the money, kind of like Monopoly money, and then they get to come spend it.
That is so cool.
Yeah, so it's really awesome. Our Prineville kids, like, they literally come running to us when we get there. They're so sweet.
I love this.
Yeah, so we're always looking for volunteers. We go every Saturday. We leave at 9. We're back by 1. We can take 2 people.
So cool.
Yeah. I was looking for you this morning when we were doing.
All right. Okay, let's head in.
So nice.
So they are celebrating 15 years of feeding hope and nourishing our community. We know you are very busy ladies. We appreciate you taking the time to just chat with us very briefly. But we wanted to tell our Patreons about your 15th year anniversary.
Today.
Is it actually
today? Yes, so 15 years ago today we opened our doors for the first time, thinking it would be impossible to help 500 families, and did that within a few months, and now we're helping almost 2,000 families a month. We're getting close to that. It's crazy. Yeah, so much growth.
We've just been so in awe of your organization and all the amazing things you do for our community here in Central Oregon, and just the fact, especially your mission around treating people with dignity. And so our lovely Patreons have decided to make you our Patreon recipient of this amazing check. So if you would like to take this and take a look at what our Patreons wanted to give you and this amazing organization.
Oh my gosh, it makes me cry. I'm sorry. Before it even starts, $10,000, you guys. Oh my gosh.
We just think you are doing such great things in our community, and it's hard for just me and Casey to impact one person here and there. So we thought you're already doing great work. If we could just piggyback off of what you're doing, and you're impacting so many people in our community, and it's just such a great cause. And we'll learn a little bit more about what you did today, fill our Patreons in, but we just thought we could kick your night off.
Oh man. This is how you start a fundraiser. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. This is, I was not expecting.
I totally had a donation.
Yes, it's been, who knows? Wow. Thank you. Tell Casey thank you too.
We'll do. And Patreons.
And Patreons, thank you all so much for your support, and Christmas and all the ways that you guys partner with us at the Giving Plate. It's so appreciated.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Giving Plate! And what's so exciting is that we actually have a matching opportunity. So you guys, this just became $20,000.
Woo! I had no idea.
I know. I hadn't really told anybody because it all happened yesterday as we were planning. The calls came in and it just like generosity, but they were like, we want you to match this. And so 20,000 actually, you guys multiplied it, your generosity multiplied into 20,000. Well, you guys, thank you so much, because this is a huge amount of money, but when we have an opportunity to double it, it's an amazing time to give it.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
That's amazing.
No
idea.
I gotta give you guys a shout out. First of all, you all showed up in style tonight. And it's a Thursday, so good on you, Ben.
Thank you guys. Wow. This is incredible to see. A Thursday night, we were not sure. And you guys sold out, except for the few who got sick, so thank you all for not getting sick. For those who don't know, the Giving Plate today is our 15th birthday actual day. 15 years ago today. Yeah, 15 years ago today, my parents, Gary and Debbie, you guys want to stand up? Just my parents, they were founders. They are inspirational, let me tell you. You'll catch a glimpse of it in a second, but it was today 15 years ago that we opened our doors to the community for the first time, and a year ago today that we opened our doors in our new community store for the first time. So today is kind of like a two-for celebration of starting and then having a new beginning in our new community store. Fighting hunger, we've given a lot of food, and every year it's just more and more, and I'm like, where is it? We're getting really close to 1 million pounds of food in a year, and that's just incredible. So we're fighting hunger, we're meeting the nourishment need, but you can give someone food and they feel just as terrible as when they take and walk away, and they have to work the resilience to come back up and ask for more help. But our model isn't about that. It's about feeding hope and showing people, just like I had to learn, our worth isn't defined by our circumstances, and the future always holds promise if we believe that there's light at the end of the hard.
We have terrible lighting, but we made it. It was fun.
It was really fun.
Thank you, Casey, for not being available tonight. We had a great time.
Yeah, it was a great date.
We're
Highly
happy to
recommend.
do more charity events for Casey, Liddell, and Cascade Heavy Rescue.
Yep, and thanks to the Patreons for making it happen.
Thank you, Patreons. And side note to Casey, you're going to love editing all of my film. Goodbye.